What's going on, guys? I'm actually on my way right now to go get a ETS muffler delete. Now, I've had some muffler deletes on this car before, but now it's a little bit different. I have the Catless Downpipe from 1320 Performance, and the reason I didn't put an exhaust on it after I did that was because I know it gets really raspy and really loud, and I wasn't really looking for that sound. So my buddy replaced his exhaust on his STI, and I didn't realize the WRX factory exhaust does not have a resonator in it, but the STI does have a resonator in it. So when we swapped his exhaust out, I put his factory resonator on my car, so now it's really quiet. It sounds like stock again. You don't even hear the downpipe at all, which is crazy. So you don't hear any turbo whistle, a little bit of turbo whistle, but it's pretty quiet. So now that it's quieted up, and I think I'll get a deeper tone with some muffler deletes. If not, I'm actually buying them from a buddy. I'm getting them pretty cheap. I'm getting them maybe like a quarter of the price of brand new ones, and they're only been on the car for probably a year maybe, so I guess it's not perfect, but yeah, I don't know. Oh, check this Subi out. Oh, he didn't even wave at me. Look. Oh. But yeah, so I'm gonna go grab that right now, and then once I have that, I'm gonna put it on, and I'm hoping I get a nice clean, deeper sound like you do with the muffler deletes, with the full catted factory exhaust. So I'm gonna pray for that, but I'm on my way to pick it up now, and we'll go from there. All right, so here we are. I got the muffler deletes in the trunk, and I don't know what is all over my car. Here they are, just the ETS axle backs. Nothing serious, but hopefully this won't sound too raspy now that I have that resonator. So it's getting cold. It's getting really cold out here. I'm sick of this. It's not even winter yet. I mean, it's like 40 degrees in fall right now. It's the middle of October, and it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit here, and it's awful. So I'm going to wait for the car to cool down just a little bit, and then I'm going to throw these bad boys on. Obviously, I'm not going to make an install video. It's super simple. It's 4 bolts, a couple hangers. Everyone knows how to do this. All right, they're on. Drove around with them last night for a little bit. Now I figured I'd make a cold start video. So not super loud for a cold start up. It's pretty quiet. And that was inside the garage. So now we're gonna go drive around for a little bit. Alright, so I know it's hard to tell how exactly the exhaust sounds when you're driving, but it does sound pretty good. It's pretty deep. It doesn't really have a lot of rasp to it, which is what I was worried about. I might try and get some flyby videos or something with this setup. So my complete setup is ETS, not ETS, sorry, 1320 Performance Catless Downpipe, and then the factory STI Midpipe with resonator, and then the ETS muffler deletes, or the axle back, however you want to say it. So I'm gonna put the window up and give you an idea. Inside the car, it drones a little bit. But for having a Catless downpipe, this exhaust is surprisingly quiet, and that's a good thing, because then it doesn't sound, ridiculous. And I can still shoot fireballs with this setup, which is ridiculous. So, yeah, I got to get a video of some fireball shots, because I can definitely do them pretty consistently. I try not to do it a lot, but if someone's riding my ass or something, I'll just boom, shoot a big fireball right at their car. And it's there. When I say fireball, I mean they probably come out from behind the car about 4 feet, and they're probably the size of a bowling ball in diameter. So it's pretty cool. But I'll shut up and let you hear the exhaust. Shot a flame. I can always tell when I shoot one because instead of like a pop, it's like it makes like, I don't know, just like this deep, like you can tell when it shoots a flame. It's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna do some flyby videos.